Hey guys, Gary Kalon here with ROiq. I want to get right into talking about why ROiq is the best solution on the face of this planet. And before I do that, I just want to give you a quick introduction about myself. I've been an online entrepreneur since 2002, and since that time I've ran all of the operations that are needed to run in online company. I've managed them hands-on, starting from making landing pages, to marketing, to running a call center, to shipping and receiving, and to having IT develop our internal technology as well. I've had a role and a hand in doing all of this to a great extent. So what I have here for you today is a product which I've compiled through my years of experience. And this product, I can confidently say today that if I were back in 2002 starting off, there's not another product which I would want to launch my internet business. And I'm going to get right into talking about that. Basically, what we have is an integrated back office. That's our technology. That's what ROiq is all about. It's about integrating all of the essential operations for running a successful online business into one place. And what we've done is not only have we integrated technology, but we've also integrated the labor and the manpower that's needed to run a business online. So I'll start off with the IBO. The IBO is what we call the integrated back office. And this is the brain of ROiq right here. This is where everything is managed from, and this is what powers everything. So first off, when you start an internet business, what you need is a website to sell your products. Now, what's our solution for this is that we're going to give you a template. It's a bare bone template which is laid out in a design that's suitable for a high converting process, a high converting landing page. Now, there are tons of companies out there that'll give you 2,000 website templates to select from, but what you need to understand is this template is a template that will help you sell. It's designed, it's laid out for a high converting process. My job is to make you sell products, not just to let you have a store. That's not what we're trying to do. We're trying to make your dreams come true as far as starting an online business that can sell, that's successful. So a website, we provide you with an easy to use edit tool, and through the back office you access your website edit tool, you make your changes, you publish your page, you go live. Next, another one, I would say this is perhaps the most unique feature that we have, and the most, well, arguably the most powerful one. That's credit card processing. And credit card processing is integrated into the IBO. So the moment you sign up, you take your website live, you publish this page, you're ready to start accepting all the major credit cards. Visa, MasterCard, Amex, Discover. Instantly, upon sign up, you can start making sales. Next, what we have here is an all-American call center. Now, I for one am a believer that if you buy an American product, you should get American support, because support and sales are perhaps the most important aspects of any business. And I don't believe in outsourcing this part of the business. I think it's very important to keep this in America because your customers are American and they can relate and understand their needs. Your customers' needs are very important, especially when they call in. They need to be addressed by people who can understand them. And that's why we have an all-American call center that's based out of Dallas, Texas, right here where I am now. We'll handle all the customer service and sales calls, and this is integrated in your IBO as well. And I'll explain a little further how that makes more sense. We also have shipping and receiving. Any sales that come in, we will fulfill them, pick and pack your orders, ship them out for you, generate the labels, the whole 9 yards, and that's also a part of the ROiq services. Next we have a CRM and detailed ops reports. So the integrated back office is also going to have a CRM, a database which is going to store all of the orders, of course, and it's going to have features such as follow-up calling, give your customers a follow-up call. Of course, that is an internal feature, but just to highlight these for you, is the CRM will also allow us to, view history of actions. How long has this been a customer of yours? How many orders have they received? What kind of testimonials they have to say? In addition to, as I'd mentioned, a complete follow-up and call center operational management technology built into this. And it's also going to give you detailed operational reports. So what that means is for you to view how many sales came in today, how many orders were shipped today, what my revenue is for today, what my revenue is if you have a recurring billing setup, what's my revenue for my recurring bills today versus the new sales that came in today, what got shipped, how much money did I make off of shipping, how much USPS priority mail orders, first class, whatever you want to look into, this is going to provide you with detailed information. And then another really cool feature is that through the integrated back office, you can also create and manage your affiliates, okay, and you can view performance reports. You can view your marketing performance reports. In the system, it'll tell you page 1 to page 2 ratios, your conversion rates. For example, it'll tell you how many people landed on page 1. From there, how many people went to page 2, how many people bought the product, how many people bounced, all of that stuff. It's going to give you in the marketing analytics that it provides. And you can create your affiliates. It'll manage your affiliates as well. It'll tell you, hey, this affiliate brought in X sales, and this is what's owed to them. Of course, that's if you have a commission structure set up, which most likely you will. So in a nutshell, I just want to back out and sort of reiterate what we have here. The integrated back office with ROiq will provide you with a website, credit card processing, a call center, shipping and receiving, a CRM software, and affiliate management with marketing analytics. Now, it's the most powerful product available today online for anyone who wants to start an online business. And no one else right now has this technology. The only reason I have it is because I've built it piece by piece over 8 years. This is something I've used myself, and it's such a practical product that I've ran my own business on it, and it's been designed and made through my needs. I need this. Hey, I'll call up my IT guys and say, this needs to do that so I can see X or Y or Z. And that's why there's nothing that can even compete or compare with what ROiq is offering someone to start or to introduce themselves into an e-commerce business. Now, Thank you very much for listening so far. Stay on, because next I'm going to walk you through this technology, the integrated back office. I'll walk you through it, and I'm going to give you a quick demo of what you'll do, your first steps of when you sign on, exactly how you get up and running. I'm going to walk you through that in the next few minutes. Thanks so much for listening.